Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for those who are new to my channel, welcome back. And yeah, so today guys, I'm going to finally do the Primark haul. Look at the other bag, so ruined already. It's because I've been so busy lately and it's been stuck here for 2 weeks and it's full of stuff. It's because, you know, I love bargain, and the last time I went to Primark, they have really many on sale items. So let me do the haul, and yeah, check your local Primark, because I don't know why, because I always go to 3 different or 5 Primark branches, and yeah, that's why maybe I got so much sale. So anyway, this one is not just in one shop, because I normally visit Primark like for 2 times a week, because you know I'm doing content there. So yeah, anyway, so the first one is this. Okay, how much I purchased it? The original price is £18, but I only grabbed it for £5. What's the size of this? Small, but look at, it's not small. Yeah, it's so big. Yeah, but okay, that's the first item. And here, and look at this. Okay, this is £3, but I'm sure I just purchased it like £1. I didn't like the color, but the price is good. Okay, yeah, the price is good. I'm like that when, you know, I'll be really tempted when it's on sale. So this one is not on sale, but I just I didn't know Primark have school uniform, and I saw this and I said, okay, maybe I'll grab one for my son. This is $6.50 for 650. This is $6.50 for 2-pack already. And okay, let's try here this one. Yeah, so this is £1 now, but this is actually £3. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's pretty nice. It's good for summer, but I'll just keep it for my son. Yeah, okay, that's it, because normally I will not buy it. And then I saw this also. This is £8, then I grabbed it for £4. So look at that. But this one is for 7 to 8 years old, and much to this. Look at that, it's matching. But this one, it's also £8. Then I purchased it for £4. Yeah, so my son, this is 7 to 8 also. So my son my son is just 5 years old now, but you know, I always purchase items advance. And next is this slipper also. This slipper is £7, then I purchased it for £4. Oh no, yeah, £7 and £4. But this is size, what size is this? 13. So maybe when my son is 6 or 7 years old, he can wear it, which is fine. Then next is this, something for winter. I don't know how you call it. Look at that here. And this is original price is £8, and I purchased it £4 only. Actually, I have also Zara haul, but I don't know if I should film it today or tomorrow. I'm not sure, but maybe today. Then this one, swimsuit. I still have so many swimsuit here that I didn't wear it even one time. It's because just this year, just one time I went to swimming pool. No. Oh, somebody's knocking. I think it's our neighbor. Let me check it.